Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a yummy egg sandwich. Start by gathering fresh eggs, good bread, butter, salt, and pepper, then preheat your pan over medium heat for even cooking. Choose a cooking style and prepare toppings so assembly is quick and neat. Toast or butter your bread lightly while the eggs finish to add crispness. Assemble hot ingredients so flavors meld and serve immediately for the best bite. Heat a non-stick pan and add a small knob of butter to melt and foam gently. Pour whisked eggs in and use a rubber spatula to push curds toward the center for tender, creamy curds without overcooking. For a fried egg, crack carefully and cook until white set but yolk stays soft, flipping briefly if you prefer a firmer yolk. Remove eggs right before desired doneness to avoid dryness and rest briefly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials and quick tips. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes and cookbooks by the stove, with adjustable light and long battery life that make waiting for eggs more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you love reading in the kitchen, and now let's get back to the video. Toast your bread to golden and butter lightly for extra flavor and crunch that holds up to moist eggs and sauces. Place warm eggs on one slice, top with cheese so it melts naturally, then add greens or pickles for texture and acidity. Spread a thin layer of sauce on the other slice to prevent sogginess while enhancing taste. Close, press gently, and let the sandwich settle a moment before cutting and serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.